Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be felting Meowth from Pokémon. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more Pokémon DIY. It helps us a lot. Enjoy!
I'll tell you, this is the life. Why swipe Pokemon when you can hang with them?
Now here's Meowth. What do you think? If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and turn on notification for more updates on this. If you're interested in seeing how I made my other Pokemons, the link will be at the top corner. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!